this man owns llamas. Let's see. Bro, we hit a whole 5. Yo, it's your boy Connor. How you guys doing today? So today, we have an exciting day. We're gonna put some gauges on a 200 SX and do a couple things on the Civic. So let's fucking get it. This is Tony's shit box right here. This is 200 SX, 240. They're all the same. They're all the same. It's a non-turbo automatic.
Yeah. We're changing all that stuff.
Tony got this for like pretty cheap price considering what we all got with it. We got a 5-speed transmission here. We don't really know if it works or not, but we'll figure it out. He also had this sick ass BAM shifter for Christmas. It's pretty badass. It's freaking heavy. It's like a weighted shifter, right? It's like a pound and a half. It's about as heavy as my dick. Let's check the interior real quick. True. Interior's clean. It's all leather or pleather, guaranteed. It is. How do you even use this thing? It's clean. It is a German spec, so Euro spec. It does. I don't really know what the differences are with Euro specs. This one came with the bent cam, which is like kind of like VVTi or VTEC or Nissan's version of that. But I mean, it comes with heated seats. The dash is like not cracked at all. Everything's clean. It's got a couple things missing here and there, but I mean, it's clean as shit. It was lower, but in Germany you have to be 5 inches, I think, above the ground, so it's kind of crappy, but we're probably gonna lower it again. Shh, don't tell Germany. One thing I love about these cars is the ass. It looks so retro. It's clean as shit. Let's pop the hood in this puppy. See what dog shit are working. What do you want from me? How do you pop this bitch? Alright, so it's the S14. It's pretty badass. I think the only thing this has is an intercooler. And that's it. It's got like a couple things. It's pretty stock. It doesn't have that much going on, but I'm telling you, like, it's clean. There's like no oil. There's a couple oil spots what we had to do, but it's not too bad.
You should see what I fucking did down there.
What'd you do? What'd you?
I asked you guys that one time if like I could just put what do you call it?
Gasket maker?
Yeah, just around it to stop the leak. You guys said no.
Yeah, did it work?
I did it anyways.
Did it work? It worked?
I mean, not permanently, but it worked for inspection.
Oh hell yeah, that's how we do it in this bitch. So yeah, it doesn't have much, but he does have coming Tomei exhaust, right? Still coming. Scratch that. This has an ARC intercooler. But yeah, it doesn't have much. It's pretty stock. Besides rims, coils, and I think a intercooler and boost gauge, it doesn't have much. It's pretty stock, which is really good for having a clean platform to start with. But today we're gonna do the boost gauge. He has got some glow shift boost gauges. Dang. He's got some glow shift boost gauges we're gonna install today, so let's go ahead and get him done. Which engine do you guys think looks better? You guys think the SR20 engine looks better or the H22? The Euro R spec engine. It's dirty right now, but which one do you think is better? They make about the same power actually. So the 200SX makes around 200 horsepower, and it is turbo. And then the H22 A7 makes around 212 horsepower, naturally aspirated. So you're saying the Civic would dust this piece of shit, dead ass. It would dust it. We'll race it. For now, what? We'll just slap a turbo in the bitch. She'd make 400 horsepower, still dusting. Let me see. Dang. This weeb. Oh, is that what it came with?
They Amanda ordered it.
Oh shit! It comes with it.
Yeah. So they.
What's this?
The stickers.
Oh.
Yeah. So you just like refill it with oil, like on the backside, and you can just keep buying the oil.
Hey, Bam Shift, if you ever you want to sponsor me, dog, hit me up. We got cool ass cars everywhere. All right, so this is what we're gonna be doing today. So today we're gonna go ahead and do the I believe this is the boost gauge. We're also going to be doing the oil pressure gauge. This also has to come with a little adapter. This goes to where your oil filter is, and it's just kind of a sandwich plate. Depending on your car, it makes it so you might not have a lot of space. You might have to run a bigger or you might have to run a smaller oil filter. But most of the cars it should be fine. But like for the Supra, you have to run a smaller oil filter. We would be doing the AFR gauge, but we don't have like a drill to drill his downpipe, so we're gonna do that another time. This also came with that, but I mean, let's go ahead and open these boys up. These things are pretty badass. They're really nice. Pretty simple setup. I don't know if they come with anything else. Oh yeah, they come with the wiring. So this is the oil temp one. So it comes with like this little thing to put it on your car. It comes with obviously the line it goes through. It comes with the actual sensor itself right here, and a bunch of other little mounting brackets and wiring stuff. All right, so then this is the boost gauge. Holy crap, maybe just tighter than. All right, so it's got this one. They're pretty much identical, honestly. They just have different things, but I mean they're pretty much identical from the front and back. It's pretty nice to have them identical, just so it makes it look a lot cleaner. It does come with some boost wire and stuff. It comes with like a check valve, mounting brackets to wire it with the car, and then obviously it comes with the little solenoid and power wires. That's pretty much it. I mean, let's go ahead and get this installed in the car. Alright, so we're in the car right now, and we had to take this centerpiece off. There's a little screw in here that allows us to come up, and we're just going to take this, because we have already the boost gauge.
Oh, look, it's coming back over here this way.
Yeah, we have the old boost gauge, so let's take this out real quick. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try to take the boost gauge off real quick. Just disconnect all the wires. So the current gauge has obviously has power and a ground. So what we need to be able to find out is to get an ignition source that's 12 volts. All right, so quick update. We took the center console out because we need to get the powers. So right now we are just kind of jimmy rigging it. We're trying to see the 12 volt and then the constant power on this harness thing where the radio goes, and then we have a ground wire already, so we're gonna see if this actually works. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. What's up? What's goody? So we have that now, so the only thing we actually need to find out now is the actual headlight switch. So whenever this gets whenever your headlights turn on, this will change colors. So there's like different modes. So like say you're driving with no headlights on, and then you turn on the headlights on, turn it red or whatever. So you're, initial D'ing it, chilling, big chilling. So we're going to go ahead and try this out again and see if we can find the headlight one. Usually you want to do this with a voltmeter. It's not grounded. Usually you want to do this with a voltmeter, but we don't have a voltmeter, so we're relying on the internet and luck. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this done.
Might make it more work.
True. So I mean, Tony just said that he doesn't want it to switch whenever the headlight turns on. So I mean, that's cool with us. We're just gonna keep it like that then. Ooh, that purple looks pretty fire. Look at these switches, though.
10 different colors.
10?
Yeah.
I think that purple right there, though. That's clean as fuck. Anyways, so we're going to go ahead and try to wire these back up. We're probably just going to splice into those wires in the harness and then come back It is a lot of work, but it's not too bad, honestly. It's a lot easier than a lot of the stuff we've done in the past. So this is pretty refreshing.
You're not getting greasy.
True. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these wired up, and we'll show you exactly how we're gonna wire them up. We have some heat shrink, so to make it look clean, usually you want to go ahead and solder these over, but we don't have a solder either, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way. All right, so as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and feed the wires that go from the solenoid through the firewall. We already have wires going through, so we should be chilling there. I'm gonna go in the car. It's easier if you have a friend or something to one pushes it through and the other one gets to see where the wire comes out. It's a lot easier than pushing it through, not knowing where to find it. That's why it's good to be having friends, dog. It's good to have friends.
You see it?
Yeah. All right. So this is the wire that's gonna go through the little, I guess sensor, not solenoid, but sensor that goes into the actual boost gauge itself. This thing right here. So this is gonna be in the engine bay. We're gonna see where we can mount it real nice and fancy. And then this connects obviously to there. Boop.
Oh, is that what the bracket's for?
Yeah. Wait, actually, you did it backwards, dog.
No, they're both the same ends.
Oh, they're the same ends. I was. Oh no.
Oh, you see, it goes right there.
Yeah, this one connects right there, and then the other side connects to the little solenoid. So right now we're gonna go ahead and wire up this boost gauge real quick and see if we can get her good. All right, so we did the Jimmy rig job. I'm not even gonna show you the wiring because I'm ashamed of it. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this Mexican Nala works. Ooh, what's up? They both work great. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys the wire, but if you want to do your wiring, look it up. Use a gauge meter and stuff, but I don't. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Done is done.
It is. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put in the interior and wire up all the other solenoids. All right. So quick update, real quick. We just plumbed up the boost gauge wires. So this goes into the throttle body, and then the wire goes all the way around. And I'll show you exactly what we're doing here. Tony's finishing it up. Is he good? Yeah, let me get on that side.
Didn't look too bad.
Here, so what we did is something fell. So there's a T that goes from our booth source, and one of them goes into the little solenoid back there, and then that connects to the check valve, and the check valve goes back into the T, and then the T goes into the boost gauge back there. So that's exactly how it's plumbed up. That's how you should have it. The check valve should be in between the little solenoid thing and your not solenoid, I guess sensor, in between your boost sensor and then the T. So it should be that way. That's how the instructions say they want it. But yep. So let's go ahead and finish that up, and we're gonna probably do the oil temp sensor also, or the oil pressure sensor also. We have to do an oil change anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and do that while he's changing out the oil. So let's go ahead and get that done.
So it should be at 0.
Yeah, so I mean, right now we're gonna go ahead and try to see if our plumbing's all right.
I'm
so
gonna turn it on.
Yeah, turn the car on. So as of right now, the light's on.
Oh.
What?
Oh, dumbass.
Dumbass motherfucker. Go. It's reading. Rever a little bit.
What's that noise?
What? Oh. We're dumb. Alright, stop it.
Oh, duh. Put that in there.
Alright, so after fixing that, let's go ahead and check it now. mean, you have to drive, but it's reading though, which is good.
Should we go drive it?
Do you want to try now with all this out?
Well, it doesn't matter.
Well, we can do it after.
Is it supposed to be reading negatives?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go ahead. So it works. Now we just need to assemble everything back and go ahead and see if it freaking should work though. I don't. We're probably only making like 8 pounds of boost, but it's nice. Going on a ride. Make sure our wiring and boost lines are all good. Bro, this is the loudest car ever. It's louder than the Civic. Turn the radio on. No, yeah, true.
I'll take it on the road. That's all the way up the end over here.
Man, let's move. We go purple, dog. Bro, this man owns llamas. Let's see. Bro, we hit a whole 5. Bro, why do we even need boost? Why do we even need a boost gauge if we're only going to hit 5, bruh?
It's for the homie.
You need to turn around. Ew, all in this mud?
Fuck it.
Off-roading.
We forgot something, I think.
What?
Nothing, because that lady was staring hard.
Alright, maybe seconds, right?
Get up there, baby!
5, dog. We already hit. Bro, this thing's dog shit. Bro, I guarantee you put this in the Civic, boost would go up to 30, dog. That bitch always hitting boost. We only hit 5. We gotta get a boost controller in this bitch. Get her up to 6. Get her up to 6. Alright, so I've been doing this interior work real quick and it looks freaking clean. Everything is wired up in the back. We're about to put this in. Meanwhile, Tony's been doing this right here. It's been sick. But this is the sandwich plate that goes in to the oil housing where like the oil filter goes. So this goes in gasket side up, and then you put this screw. You put this screw in there, and then you screw it onto where your oil filter normally would sit, and then you would put your oil filter in the back. So that goes over there, and just make sure you kind of take in consideration on how you want to put it on and how your filter will, or how your sensor will fit. We have it this way upwards because we're going to pop up like that, and then the sensor is going to route through there. We already have the line routed. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get that done real quick. So, kind of a noopsie here, but well, not me, but Tony bought the wrong size filter adapter plate to go to that, because normally the way it goes is this goes into your filter, and then this goes on where your filter normally seats, but he got the wrong size, so he's gonna have to order the right size for this, so that's gonna have to go in another time. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. It's been pretty fun doing this on this new car that we probably are gonna record a lot on this channel. We have a lot of stuff going on with this car. We're gonna go
20mm 1.5 today.
I was fucking talking. Who's fucking man? Anyways, we're gonna do a lot of things to this car. We're gonna manual swap the car. We're probably gonna pull the engine out. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff with this car, but yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.